What is going on, guys? Back with another video. It's your boy Nate here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can get traffic to your YouTube channel or your blog using Tumblr. So let's get into it. Tumblr is a great source to get traffic to your blog or your website, as you know, it's kind of already bloggy in its nature, and there's a lot of people that use it to get, you know, good picture content, good video content, and good GIFs to put on their website. So it's definitely a place you want to check out if you want to redirect traffic to your YouTube channel or your website. So obviously the first thing you want to do is go onto Tumblr, make an account, and now once you have an account, you can now create an account around the niche that you're in. So let's say you like to bake. So now what you want to do is create a Tumblr around baking, since you like baking so much. And what you want to do now is use the search bar on Tumblr, search baking, and now you'll find a bunch of pictures, videos, and GIFs related to baking. You know, you can find memes, you can find recipes, you can find, you know, people just like putting together a cake or, you know, some kind of pastry. You know, the possibilities are endless. But now you have a source with like a bunch of baking content, and you can use this content to, you know, populate your own blog. When I say populate your own blog, what you want to do is take the content that you find by searching baking and, you know, reblog it. That's what they call it on Tumblr. So you reblog this content onto your own blog, and you want to start filling up your blog with content from other people, so that when people start checking out your baking Tumblr blog, they can find, you know, baking content that they like and, you know, start to follow it. By reblogging the content that you find by searching baking, you're now filling up your own blog with a whole bunch of content from other people. When people check out your account, they're like, hey, I like this account, there's a lot of baking stuff here, and, you know, I can learn something from them. You know, and they're probably gonna put out good content, continue to put out content that I like to see. So, you know, why don't I follow them? You want to work on reblogging as many popular posts as you can. Let's say for now, like between 20 and 30 posts per day. And, you know, you could work your way up as, you know, you get more comfortable with the software, or if you find more time to do it. But, you know, 20 to 30 is a good place to start. Definitely a good place to, you know, start building your blog. And when I say putting popular content onto your blog, what you want to do is reblog the content that you find that has the most notes. So notes is basically the amount of times that a content's been reblogged or liked or loved, in this case, by someone on Tumblr. And you can find it in the bottom left corner typically of the content. So if you see like some number and it says like, you know, XYZ notes, where XYZ is a number, then you know that this post really resonated with people in the community, so, you know, they wanted to reshare it or just like it. So if you see posts with hundreds or thousands of notes, those are that's the kind of content that you want to, you know, reblog on your Tumblr blog, because you know that this is the content that people like, this is the content that's popular, this is the content that gets the likes, gets the shares, that gets people following these accounts, because, you know, these are the images that they want to see, these are the videos that they want to see. So those are definitely the things that you want to reblog. If you want to find more viral content to use on your blog, where you don't just have to get pictures from other people on Tumblr, you can go on Pinterest, you can go on Reddit. And, you know, Reddit is a great source, because, you know, I'm pretty sure Reddit has like a baking subreddit, and if you just search for it, you can probably find tons of pictures and media that has, you know, a lot of upvotes. That's what it's called on Reddit. And you can use the content with a lot of upvotes to, you know, bring that over to Tumblr. And, you know, you should be able to resonate with people on Tumblr the same. It's definitely great to use other sources to get content to use on your Tumblr blog. Also, you can click on the content that has a lot of notes, and you can kind of scroll through the people that, you know, reblogged or liked the content, and you can start to follow them, with the goal being that if you follow them, there's a chance that they'll follow you back. And you can use it as a way to build up your follower count, especially in the early stages of your blog, because just because you start posting content doesn't really mean that people know that you're out there. So, you know, by following people, you'll get a few follows back. You know, if they see the content that you put out, then, you know, they'll follow you. The power of doing this is that, you know, once you start blogging your own content, you know, when the people that you followed and, you know, all the things that you shared start to accumulate on your blog, when they start reblogging and liking your own work that you put on Tumblr, and not just things that you reblog, you know, if you put, like, let's say when you upload a picture, you can put like a description there, and in that description you can put like your YouTube channel or your website. So if someone reblogs that content with your, you know, YouTube channel or your website link, whoever follows them can see that, and, you know, they could click on it and they could reblog it. They could go straight to your channel, you could go straight to your site, and that's how you can gain visitors, and you can gain people that that could really fall in love with your content. And that's a way to gain good traffic, because the more people that reshare your stuff on Tumblr, the higher of a chance that you have for someone to see it, to subscribe to your channel, or join your mailing list, for example. So the possibilities are endless. As long as you continue to put out content that people want to see, someone will reblog it, as long as there's someone there to reblog it, and people will like it. So work on making your own content, in addition to reblogging and getting content that other people may have uploaded somewhere on the internet, such as Pinterest or Reddit, and use that to your advantage, to build your Tumblr blog, so that you can get that free traffic source that you want. Anyway, that pretty much sums up how to use Tumblr for traffic. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. And that's all from me, so enjoy the rest of your days, and peace.